Just arrived at Green Bay Scuba on Delp Ave in Green Bay, Wisconsin. I like to come here. I can get some supplies once in a while. If you're in the Green Bay area, want to learn how to scuba dive, this is the place. Come on down to their shop in Green Bay, check it out on Delp Ave. We got a lot of stuff here.
We'd love to have you. Thanks.
Randy from Monster Squad Shore Fishing. We're here today with Ed the Diver and his crew to hopefully give away a Monster Squad fishing t-shirt with lure knowledge. We're going to ask a question about lure knowledge. What is the oldest lure company in the United States?
Headin'?
You are correct, sir. Headin' Lure.
That was a wild guess.
Name one of their lures that they're really famous for.
The grunt, the river grunt?
Yeah, and
the pike.
And also the Lucky 13, right?
Lucky 13.
Oh, there we go. We got a winner. Super.
Sweet.
Good job, man. Good job, man.
One point for me.
I think you take a size medium.
I do. Size medium.
Go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Stole your glory.
I gave everybody a chance.
Yeah.
And there we go.
All right. Nice. Monster Squad. Appreciate it.
Super.
Thank
you.
you.
No problem. And thanks for everything you guys do, cleaning up the debris.
Yeah.
And everything like that. And
love doing it.
Super. So here we are with Ed from Ed the Diver. He goes around and picks up a lot of debris under the water that you'd normally get snagged on. So and a lot of litter as well. So Ed just won himself a Monster Squad t-shirt. And thank you, Ed, for getting rid of all that nasty stuff on the bottom and all the things you pick up.
We got Doug from, where are you from again?
Lodi.
Lodi?
Yep.
And he's a farmer and he's a scuba diver.
Yep.
Thanks for coming to help today.
Yeah, too bad.
Yeah. Got Jason over here. You're gonna do some PR up in the banks, help clean up stuff too. Got Colton over there. Got Brian over there. Brian's a school teacher. Colton's a treasure diver. Back here at the Fox River, if you're Wisconsin, let's go get some lures. Alright, so this is what happens with all line in the water. And crayfish, water life all tangled up in this. Take the line cutters, had to give this guy another chance somehow. Sorry buddy. You can see it's all wrapped around his body, his legs. Cutting through braided line with this line cutters, that's pretty neat. Look at that. Got you, buddy, you're free. You're welcome. Nice light. Oh, the jig's so far. Yeah, I pick all those up too. Did you find a magnet?
Grappling hook.
A grappling hook? Yeah. Nice. I can't believe I missed that the other day. The magnet was right here too. Jeez. One less tangle. Alright, just stuck in there. Get that out. Brand new sunken now hooked up. Well, I just took a bunch of line off here and I had a lure stuck in my leg. I was sitting there yanking it, and all of a sudden there's a shiver minnow or a flicker minnow stuck in my new pants, my new suit here. Yeah, we're gonna head out here. We just gotta stay away from these guys. So we're just gonna try to stay away from everyone. Getting some so far. Is that a fishing rod? Nice. We're gonna take a swim all the way over there to the edge. But we gotta stay away from all the anglers.
Every time I get down to the bottom of this thing, I come up with a hell of a pile of crap again. I can't get that off the reel.
I'm gonna start heading that way. Look at that. I see a river wrap. Line cutters to the rescue. Oh, I got her. Gonna try to get all this line off. Nice rip and wrap. Hook is stuck in my finger. There we go. All this braided line tangled up everywhere. I just swam up in a walleye, a really nice one. Sail out to my little friend. Hey Colton! No, it was a fish.
I'll take it.
What are you gonna do with it? Play with it?
Oh, okay.
Here, I got you another one.
There we go. Oh.
Yeah, big catfish by a barrel.
Yeah.
Hey, do you have a line coming out right there? No, I don't want to infringe on your fishing. What's that? You want to see what I found? Yeah, sure. I don't know. Oh, shoot. What does that say on the bottom? What does it say on the other side? It's a porta potty door?
All you need now is the porta potty itself.
Yeah, I think it's down there. Part of it. Oh, shoot. That's work. Oh. Oh, boy. You're missing out on all these lures. Any luck out here? Catching a few? I saw a nice walleye down here. They're usually pretty spooky. They don't let you get that close. There's a lot of lures about 30 feet out. There's a big piece of a whole old scaffolding. It's one of the ones that it slides in and out of each other. It's really heavy though. I tried to pull it out last year, throw it in my kayak, but I couldn't. I had to get a boat and a rope to get it out. 27% battery lift. Finding stuff. Colt Mo's camera. You're back in the water. There you go. Sinking. Big old nasty expanded plastic. Alright, I'm gonna start heading back. Use the rest of my air up here. You mind if I get past you and I get closer? Can I go past you? Thank you. You watch my channel? Here you go. You gave me a whole box of damn. What? What is that? Good. We'll consider it another lucky day. I'm trying out a different suit today. The suit's warmer, and it's just my fingers, my feet are numb, and my face. Not too warm. No, that's not too bad. Right now it says like 30, 35 degrees. I saw one walleye, I swam up behind it, it just stayed there. I stopped breathing because when you breathe it scares them. And I just stood there for like 10 seconds, so it'll be cool footage, it was clear. Then when I went to grab it, it just took off. Yeah, real cool. I got it all hooked up. Is this yours?
No.
Got him?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh my, keeps going?
Yeah. There you go. You got a place to put the line?
Yeah, I can shove it in my bag.
Alright, cool. Maybe you want to share with your buddy there too. Thanks guys.
We'll split them.
Oh nice, okay. Good luck fishing. You're missing out, Jason. Just got done with my dive today in the Fox River. Had a couple other divers with me today. We got Colton over there. We got Doug. We got Jason over here helping. We got a guy named Brian that was on the shore helping with stuff. But let me show you what we got today. Got all these lures here in this big mess. Some sticks in here. Got a piece of a rod in here. Just a lot of different random lures in here. Pretty good find. Let me show you how big that is, how much stuff is actually in there. That's a lot of stuff. This is me standing next to this big pile right here. I'm gonna be cutting this apart tonight. A lot of lures in there, probably 200, 220. We'll find out. Good dive today. I'm Cole. We had Colt in here. We had Doug. Yep. You guys get a lot of lures?
Yep.
Yeah?
A lot of fun.
Yeah, well, thanks for coming down, guys, both of you. Put a restroom door in the water there. And this other part of the restroom right there, little urinal. Pretty neat.